Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connections to the land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every state of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, and let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. We're looking back at last week, what a wonderful week it was, celebrating Book Week. And I must say congratulations to our students for the wonderful effort and energy that you put into the celebration, especially with the dress-up day on Friday. Big thank you to all our staff and a special thank you to our parents who came along and watched many of the parades throughout the day. I did know that there was a large potato and a dinosaur wandering around the school, and I still haven't figured out who the dinosaur was. Moving on to SWPBS, next week we focus on the value of respect, and that is in the bathrooms, in the toilets. We keep the cubicles, the walls, the floors, the mirrors clean and tidy. We must ensure that any papers are placed in the bin. This week also, we invited our students from the local kinder into the school for a tour of the school. These are our students who will be our prep students next year, and we look forward to the next visit where we can show them further around the school and they can take part in many activities. Just a reminder, everybody, to ensure that you read every single day. Read to your dog, your cat, read to somebody at home, find somewhere quiet, and take that time to enjoy reading. And finally, just want to mention about crossing roads safely, please. Remember, where there is a school crossing and there is a person on the school crossing, that you use that crossing. Please don't run out across roads, and if you are crossing a road, please ensure that you look to your left, your right, your left again, and if the road is clear, walk across the road. Please take care crossing roads, children. Well, I'm off to the Year 5 students where I'm going to share some exciting stories, and take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Next week's SWPBS goal is:
We keep the stalls, floors, mirrors and walls clean, and we are quiet. It's really important we treat the toilets the same way as home as our school.
and we keep our toilets clean for the next person. It's important to keep quiet while going to the toilet.
You're right, so we don't disturb other people. It's important we keep quiet even in the bathrooms.
Even when you're waiting for your partner, you still be quiet.
We're quiet over the bathrooms.
Welcome to the first episode of Student Soundouts. Enjoy!
If you could eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Spaghetti.
Thank you.
French fries.
Burgers. Vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yeah. Pasta. Mac and cheese.
Thank you for watching Student Soundouts.
And if you want to submit any questions, please come talk to us.
This is how you make a pepper airplane. So you fold the quarters, put this right in it. Then you put this, then fold the quarters. And remember, don't do it fast way, but take your time. Then fold the quarters, then fold the other cord. But if you make a mistake, try again. This is our SWPBS goal, which when we make a mistake, we try again. And then you look like this, and straight up our corners. This, straight, straight, straight. And keep on going until you've done it. Straight, straight, straight. Even my sister told me a trick. One finger straight across. And here you go, you made your very own paper airplane. Then fold it down a bit more than there. It might look like this, but try your best. When you say go. So, did you see that paper airplane? Boy, that's how you make your paper airplane. And if you're wondering what's my name, because my name is Fred.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fabulous week. Who's ready for a joke? What is a cat's favourite song? 10 seconds thinking time. Let's see if you can work it out. Okay, your time is up. What is a cat's favourite song? 3 Blind Mice. I hope every single one of our Cranbourne East Primary School fathers have a wonderful Father's Day this weekend, and I hope they spoil you all with lots of dad jokes all weekend.